Readers, strong leaders. Kit 6. Let's read and write. Books are filled with emotions, and we as readers feel for the characters and their experiences. Reading and writing are great ways to offer a getaway to learning about social, emotional skills. The contents: Hear Myself Phone, Let's Get Writing, Creative Thinking Flip Book, Let's Get Writing Again, Silly Starters Flip Book, Jumbo Double-Sided Magnetic Write and Whiteboard, Magnetic Write and White Markers with eraser caps, Write and White Thin Line Markers, Building Empathy Library. It's a multicultural world library and a social emotional library.